Hi guys, welcome to the Radioactive Sharks. The camera person is Jayden. The person dancing over here is Parker. And me, I'm Cruz. And we're going to be doing pottery. And Jay made a mess before this video.
Yeah, okay, it's a video now. Parker's video right now, so I can help Cruz. I'm totally not spilled everywhere, am I? Okay, let me help it. No, isn't good. We just lost some clay. I don't care. Let's shoot that. Okay, Cruz, you're making the biggest mess ever. Okay, let me help you.
I don't like this.
So we're trying
to
make a chicken. Odd, a very odd thing to make, but you know we're odd, so we be making it. Parker, what's the camera staring at? Not the camera's be staring at me. Not it.
Not staring. You cannot even see her face. You're a bad cameraman. I should be the cameraman.
Okay, I guess.
Oh, dude.
Well,
But your hand message. Anyway,
I just go all the way back here.
Dude, you could just hold up the camera a little bit.
okay, so progress. This is progress.
Jayden, I ain't even doing anything. We're just like consumers.
Okay, so this is the hand.
I need
so
to-
I'm gonna set this aside.
Okay. Ah! That's the message.
Quit. Quit, Cruz. You're making the
I just roll it
head.
into a head and then you
Okay.
make the body and
Okay, I made the two chicken sides, so that's both of
this is
chicken
very
sides.
sticky.
So we're gonna roll it out first.
Congrats to
Okay, you can
you.
get closer.
I don't want to. I don't trust y'all.
Sad time.
Gotta make the beak and everything.
We don't have that much yellow, but like, I don't care. Okay, so here is the body. It is pretty thick.
Yes, good job, you remembered.
Okay, so
If you want a really
quick.
If you want a really thick girlfriend, like the video and subscribe.
Dude, family friendly, like Jayden said, bro.
What do you want? Okay.
Like the video and subscribe if you're a boy and you want a very, very
Thick girlfriend.
Because I'm the one.
Your chances will go
Y'all,
up to 99%.
Family friendly.
Okay.
Good job, y'all remembered. Because I said so.
Okay, we'll get the scalpel.
No.
No, first don't do it.
Okay, so
Where's
this is a pretty good body. So let me roll it out like I should. Chris, what the heck are you
I'm making the eyes.
doing? The chicken's eyes are painted on with black.
Okay,
What
I
are you doing? No. So the camera on me, Parker. I'm the star here. Okay.
What? I mean,
So,
all
what?
because you bought the camera doesn't mean you're just.
Okay, there we go. Here. Okay, so we're gonna like flatten it out.
That's real thick. Okay.
We're gonna put some water in our hands. Chris, quit! What the heck are you doing? We're gonna put some more water in our hands and hopefully we don't spill it everywhere.
The pottery's looking good.
Thanks. It's supposed to be a chicken.
Cool.
Me.
I made it.
Your chicken.
I made the big.
Jayden, your chicken.
Thanks. Huh?
Get it?
Yeah, I did kinda. Kinda, not really, but yeah, I guess I do. Okay. There's the crab and body. Let's make the beak.
I already made the
I mean
The
the
beak?
wing. I mean the wings.
Wings. The only wings you have is hair.
What eyeliner wings?
Ah.
Huh? Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What? Just get back to pottery.
Okay.
Made it into a sausage.
Okay, crazy. You're doing terrible. But in a good way.
Yay!
You're doing terrible in a good way.
Sorry.
It's a good thing.
Dang, I'm stupid.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this for no reason and like I don't
If you
know.
want a thick girlfriend, like it, subscribe.
Oh, wow, that's neat.
We done said that 100 times now.
Ring the bell for notifications every time. Yeah.
We post a video, so.
Yeah.
When it's too wet, I want to say, I'm just gonna. I don't know.
SpongeBob.
What am I doing? I feel like I'm petting a body of a chicken.
Jayden.
I'm
Copyright claim.
I'm joking.
Okay, everybody cover their ears that part. Copyright claim.
Okay, so if y'all want our, what am I saying? If y'all want this, you better like and subscribe. Is what I'm
We
saying.
didn't give them this.
Yes,
This is
we
our
are.
art.
We're giving them our art. If it's on camera, we give it to them.
No.
Yes.
No.
Trust me, we're giving it to them. Okay.
No, we're not. You're lying. Okay, give it to me.
Wow, how clumsy. Good job knocking over the damn Millennium
Your
Falcon.
hot finger in your mouth.
It tasted horrible.
Corona.
Yeah, posted it the time the coronavirus is out.
I just swallowed it. It wasn't the best.
Oh God! I don't even know why I'm just like letting it out.
Oh, let's paint it.
How beautiful. How beautiful. Being painted, padded.
Okay,
Y'all
so
doing a
here
great
is
job.
one of the chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
It needs to go like in a
Almost
triangle.
copyrighted. Papa John's, Papa Chino.
Uh-huh.
Just cover your ears. Cover your ears. Cover your ears. I don't want to hear no. I don't want to get copyrighted.
I'll just go everywhere.
First of all, we're poor. We're trying to get money from the YouTube videos.
Yeah, that's very good actually. So first, I'm gonna like make some. This is gonna be my feathers. So I know what I'm doing. Trust me.
Oh yeah, that's pretty smart. I need to make a beak.
That didn't work. Okay, so gonna be that.
I don't know how to make a beak. Is that good?
Please, can I do that, please?
No.
Can I do that, please?
No, God, what's it done?
You're doing a great job. Video, and trust me, Parker.
I want to see how good he's doing. Get so closer a little bit.
Huh?
Get closer a little bit. Yes, come closer.
What do you mean come closer?
Close.
Close enough already. I don't want to get no closer.
Wow, 6 feet. Social distance.
Disagree to us.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for you. Right
Everybody, wash your hands for 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday twice or whatever you want to do.
I would wash my hands for 30 seconds so I can be extra clean. Like me. I don't cuss.
Cool.
Or do I?
Not cool.
I'm joking, I don't. Or do you? Ew. Bro, it looks like I'm like, my dead skin's coming off very horribly. Sorry, but like, I need this.
I need
Wait,
it.
I need this for a second. I
That's
need
the
this.
head of a chicken.
Nobody cares.
The head of a
We
chicken.
used to have chickens.
How cruel.
You just the head of a chicken. Jesus.
I'm evil.
Super evil.
Somewhat. Sometimes.
Is that a wing? That looks like down Flappy Bird right there, dude.
No copyright. No copyright.
I think it's gonna turn out pretty good.
I don't really want to get demonetized with copyright. We're definitely not getting.
Okay, so
We're gonna try.
first,
This is actually pretty cool. Look how smooth that is. Smooth body.
as you can see, I'm already dirty from this, and it's only been 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Smooth.
Chris, quit!
This didn't you say 30 minutes?
It's gonna
Like-
take a long time.
Before I was
It's gonna be a long video, so ring the bell.
That hurt very bad.
Oh, I haven't done. Why
Do it again! Okay, so now I need to make it thick. for my mom. I get it for my mama.
Cool.
Thanks for reminding me. At least you know.
Well, I think I'm not. No copyright. Shut up.
Okay.
Everybody close your ears for the rest of this video. Just do it. Do it. Click that little bell.
Click that little bell.
Copyright.
What's up, dudes?
Copyright. I'm cutting this.
No, please don't, Parker.
Don't cut it.
I was joking.
We can like, I don't know, just don't cut it.
Don't copyright.
we're
I've
doing
seen that
pretty
theme
good.
songs of. Shut up. We can make our own music. If it.
It's gonna
Okay.
be Hey, don't drop that. Hey, drop that. Dun, dun, dun. I don't know the song. Chris, don't do it on that. Do it right here on this. What are those?
Oh my god. What are those? Those are my socks.
I like them a lot.
No, after, no wait, is that a brand? Oh, yeah, copyright. Nope, no copyrights here today.
Totally not. Camera on me, please.
Not, definitely not sponsored by no one. Probably not. Probably not, never will be. Will never be sponsored.
I'm excited for this video. I feel like it's gonna get a lot of views.
I feel like I cannot make a round head.
You can't.
You say that it doesn't happen. That looks like an
Jayden,
elf.
I swear, if you say that one more time, we're gonna get copyright. After like 14 takes of this video, we all just.
I'm getting soaked.
Cool.
After this, we're probably gonna do try not to laugh video.
Okay, that's it, Chris. You've done played with it. Don't go like this to get a
I have done lost the try not to laugh.
Chris, quit!
I was trying to smooth it out.
Don't smooth it out.
Try to smooth
Quit!
it.
Say stop. Play too much. Quit! Say stop. My dad's really getting ready to leave now. Quit! No, don't do anything to my precious chicken.
I hope the phone
Fuck that! Y'all know the chicken dance?
Get back to work.
Okay.
Good job.
Why
No.
does it have a piercing? Okay.
It's a piercing chicken.
Okay, this is a good head, I believe. I don't know. I'm not
I don't see no piercing.
Bro!
Right. Bro.
That is the head.
I need to fix the head. That's the beak.
So don't do anything different. Don't.
We need to put feathers
Chris,
on it.
no, I will. No, let me mow the head. I just heard a bird. But I'm making a chicken. What?
Oh, look, there's the head.
It's family friendly.
This is family friendly, Cruz.
I was gonna do this.
No. Family friendly, not commit suicide.
Or we'll find out.
Stop. You're trying to cut off the poor chicken's head that's just being made.
Shout out to everybody who's watching this video.
Comment down below if you're watching this. So we
Shout
know.
out my friends.
I'm gonna like get on your iPad and then get us all kind of views.
What? Just get on my iPad. Get every device you have.
And watch the video.
Like and subscribe. Just please do it. want a thick girlfriend, your chances will go up to 99%.
What does this chicken make look like?
Chances will go up to 99% that you don't get a girlfriend.
That you would. A thick girlfriend. If you liked and subscribed to the video, 99% chance, thick girlfriend. If you're a boy. If you're a girl,
Skip this part.
skinny boy.
You'll get a muscled boy.
Yeah, you get like
A football
an
player.
8-pack.
A football player or a hockey boy.
You'll probably get like an 8-pack boyfriend if you're a girl.
Like the
Watch this
video.
video.
Like the video and follow.
That really likes you.
Follow us. Do it.
Subscribe, you mean?
No, follow.
Really,
Track
really.
us down.
I'm
I'm joking.
Don't kidnap us.
We're going
I watch this boy.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, you're blinding the eyes, Parker. You're blinding all their eyes. I'm
What
pretty
does
sure.
the beak look like? Been so long since I've seen a chicken. This is the
This is
beak.
the box.
This is the beak. I don't know what the box looks like, dude.
No. Look, the duck on the box. Duck on the box.
I need help.
You need help.
Oh! Woo! It's a triangle. Math.
It's not really math.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
Triangle is science, I meant. Where is it?
What's up? It's geography, dude. Dude.
Now it smells clean.
That just smells very good. Smells like...
Yum.
Go back to.
Okay, so, if y'all don't know what time it is, it's coronavirus time, so we're all quarantined in our house. Bro.
It smells good.
I know it smells good.
Go.
Go. What?
Go back to where you belong. Off the horsey.
I got the horses in the back. I don't know.
I think Chris washed his hands.
I got that one.
Totally didn't just drop that.
Dude, are you gonna help your sister?
I know,
Now
right?
she good. Okay, everybody's gonna skip this video because it's taking a long time for her to make it.
It's already done.
If you make it to the end of this video,
It's just been 18 minutes.
Jesus! If this video, if you watch until the end of this video, you're a legend. You're a bloody legend. If you like and subscribe, your chances of getting a thick girlfriend will go up to 99.
99% that you don't get a.
That you will. That you will get a.
That you will not.
That you will get a thick girlfriend.
The camera's on Jayden right now, so I don't want you interrupting.
Everybody come to yours. You're about to witness the full copyright. Yes.
Dora,
If you come to your ears, you're a bloody legend. You're a legend. You're a legend. Actually, that copyright. You have to play the exact same song. So we can sing it every day. We can sing it all day.
Depends if we sing the whole song, but
No, we have to. It has to be just like Dora. We have to like put on the theme song and everything. Like you have to put on the show and it was like.
wait, does chickens have ears? No, they're just bald, like my dad.
You do not know chickens have ears.
I didn't know. It's been so long since I've
Or else-
seen one.
That looks like a daggone pig, dude.
No, I don't.
Dude, that nose looks like a pig nose.
It's
Looks like
just
a big
thick,
snort.
like your girlfriend.
Babe, can you at least make it look like a beak?
I will like this video and
It looks like a bit-
subscribe just for a thick girlfriend.
Hold on, let me cut it off. It looks a little dead. Yeah, it didn't work. I messed up. So let's use list.
Everybody is going to exit this video. If you don't, you're a legend. You're a legend. You're a legend.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. And Parker, I think I'll be the cameraman, and you will help Jayden. Since you never even touched it.
Do you want your hands yet, Chris?
Yeah. See?
Okay. So just don't push any buttons, okay?
Okay. Hi guys, now I'm the cameraman. Yay.
Person, the camera person, because I'm not the man and I was the cameraman.
Camera person, cameraman, whatever. So let's see what they're doing. What's
Okay,
my
perfect.
four spot
So
doing?
this is what bigger me. So you're going to be like a big button like this. Yeah.
Riding on a train. Guys, is this a good camera angle?
On like painted black dots.
Is this a good camera angle, or should we get like a montage or something?
Okay, so this one looks like it's
Teamwork. You can do anything when we got teamwork. This
Yes,
is
sir.
copyrighted SpongeBob, by the way. Please do not copyright us, YouTube. Stop. I got a good idea. I got a good idea. I got a good idea.
No, 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 no. Get back here. Get back here. No, get back down.
Okay. It's a good idea, right?
No. Pottery, the video, stop. That's what I thought, kid. Now, down here. Come on, hurry up.
Help me. Call 911 or do something.
Hey, so we're at the part where we
Guys.
like getting ready to move it to a different place. We're gonna move this to that box so I can sit and draw. No. The Parker ain't the smartest person. Don't use that either.
What's this camera
Don't
doing?
let smokes in the bottom of it.
Wait, is it thing? Can y'all hear us?
Yeah.
Y'all hear us? Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me good?
They can.
Yes.
Okay, good. Wait, to test it, I'm just gonna.
Oh, dang, that's heavy. Can I see how heavy? Yeah, but like, I'm scared to let you feel like it's
Okay.
Oh, that's actually.
Hang
Dang,
on.
that is heavy. Okay, so here's our chicken before
Well, I got 1 hour of videotaping left. 1 hour and 40 minutes. And we've been recording for 23 minutes. So y'all better hurry up. Y'all need to paint it.
Yeah, we're gonna play that in the next video.
No.
Okay, it's gonna have to sit overnight and we have to paint it tomorrow. So let me go wash my hands. Y'all
We
can
need to
go.
do our outro.
Hey, come on. Go wash my hands with Jayden.
This is washing hands
So,
with
yeah.
Jayden.
So
You have to wash for 30
I'm gonna
seconds
go
if you
ahead.
want. But Jay
Done.
washes for 30 seconds. I wash for 20 because I gotta play me some Call of Duty.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Is this gonna be a which one 30 seconds left?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
Jay, hurry up and put it under the water.
30. Okay, here we go. See, I've been doing good with quarantine. Nah. Okay, so look. No, don't put that down.
I will.
Give me the camera.
Wet hands, you're messing with our camera.
My camera.
Yeah. No, they ain't.
Not
I'm just gonna go upstairs and drop on your bed.
So we have to do the outro, bro.
I'll do outro.
Okay.
Alright, so thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, you are a legend. Just letting you know that. Peace out. Radioactive Sharks.